Your brain misfires 50% on danger. What if you're overreacting right now? A 2011 study found your brain's threat detection is only 50% accurate. That's a coin toss for survival. The amygdala, your fear center, triggers false alarms. It overreacts to harmless stimuli, causing unnecessary stress. In 2019, researchers noted this bias when testing 100 subjects. Half mistook neutral faces for threats. This bias affects 70% of snap judgments. Imagine misjudging intentions at work or in social settings. Your brain's misfires impact legal outcomes. False threat perception can sway juries, leading to wrongful convictions. Right now, your brain's deciding. It might be wrong. Half the time, it mistakes safety for danger.